Hello everyone, I'm Noelle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Toga's mask and knife leg straps, and how you can make one too. Before anything, we must analyze our references. Here we have two pictures of Toga. From this we can see Toga's mask is made up of a solid black base with 6 silver tubes that extend from it. Her leg straps consist of dark gray straps connected to a hunter green box with silver knives on top. The materials we're going to be needing are thin foam, UHU glue, a clear sealant spray, buckles and straps, hunter green and dark gray paint, hot glue, a black leather mask, wire covering tubing, and silver paint. Starting with Toga's mask, take a black leather mask. Take some wire covering tubing and cut off a small piece to use for measuring. Using some white paint, cover the edge of the piece to make a stamp. Take the tubing and measure out the placement. Take the piece we cut out and stamp it to mark the place of the tube, keeping in mind you need room for 3 tubes on each side. To cut the pieces, place the tube in your desired spot and cut. Then clean the paint off. In order to hold the tubes in place, we need to make the mask thicker. Take some thin foam, cut to size, glue down, then trim the edges. Repeat these steps for both sides. The mask should fit like normal. To cut the holes for the tubes, take something like a leather puncher or scissors and cut out holes where you want the tubes to lay. Flatten the back by trimming down the edges. Then apply hot glue to keep it in place. To do the other side, fold the mask in half and line up the holes. Repeat these steps for all the tubes. Take some metallic silver paint and cover the ridges, leaving the gaps in between black. It should look something like this when done. To make the leg straps, take buckle straps, 2 buckles, and 2 middle pieces. Measure around your leg where you want the straps to sit. You should have a few inches of overlay to make the straps adjustable later. Cut out 2 of these straps. Taking some black and white paint, mix out a dark gray color. Then paint the buckles and straps. To assemble the piece, put the strap underneath and go through the rightmost gap, then over and into the next gap over. Pull the strap through about an inch. Then pin in place and sew down. Take this middle piece and put the strap through the bottom of one side, then over and through the other side. Then thread it through the buckle's outer gap. Tighten the strap around your leg, then thread the excess through the plastic piece on your inner thigh. Paint this outer part so it's all gray. Then spray with a clear sealant. To make the knife box, cut out pieces of thin foam to the measurements. To connect them to the strap, cut 2 slits in the foam. Slip over the strap until it covers the plastic piece. Then thread the strap closed again, like so. Then glue the pieces together. Then cut out the knives. There should be 3 pieces of foam for each knife. Then glue together into the box. It should look something like this when assembled. If you need to adjust the strap, just move over the box, adjust the strap, and move back. Paint the knives with a silver metallic paint. Then mix green and brown paint to make a hunter green shade and cover the box. Take some black paint and dilute with some water. Then paint on this design. Then weather the edges with more paint. Add scratches for more weathering. Then cover with a clear sealant spray. Overall, I think this project came out pretty nice. Let me know how you think I did, and if you tried it for yourself. If you would like to see more cosplay DIYs from me, like the rest of Toga's gear, make sure you like and subscribe.